Well, hi, this is Custom Works. I'm Clint Allen, and in today's Tech Talk, we are discussing 6-position tuners and idiots. We have a guy that has been on our waiting list to get into our shop. We're going to be doing a full 100% custom redo on the truck. He's going to invest basically the old Jurassic Park Hammond, spare no expense. So we're going to be going through and doing a full frame-up rebuild, and the reason why we're doing that is because he's come to the conclusion he's incapable of repairing anything. But you know, these are one of these situations where this is why I have a hard time with people and certain types of tuners. So in his truck, he's got the old 6 dial on there, and you know, we got the 50 horsepower, we got the 75 horsepower, we've got the 100 horsepower, we've got the idle kick up, we've got, you know, the old black smoke, we've got ludicrous speed, go! So we're running around in this truck in ludicrous mode. Well, and I'll show you close-ups of these via picture, but we've got 4 cracked pistons, and you can see this thing is just glooped. We've got just all of the soot and crap all in the rings here. You know, once again we're driving daily in ludicrous mode. You know, the extreme mode on the chip. We've got seven injector tips that are cracked from the excessive heat of running around in every stop sign, just hauling down the road, and black smoke pouring out. Yeah, I know a lot of you are going to hit the comments going, well, you know, it's stupid. There's nothing wrong with the 6-position tuners, and he's running around heating the piss out of the motor. Well, yes, you're right. But the fact of the matter is that there's no fail-safe in some of these chips, these cheap chip tuners. When you pay extreme and other high-end tuners, that there are some safety pullbacks that are built into these cheap 6-position tuners that you get out of eBay and Amazon from Japan. They don't have that. They're just they've gone in and diddled with your computer and jacked up the timing and jacked up the IDM and have done so much stuff to get all this extreme power out of it that it was never designed for. And basically, even though we're doing a full rebuild, most of the parts that we could have used, you know, even the rods, we just got to throw in the garbage. They're just no good. They've been overheated. So please, if you bought the 7.3 truck for the reliability, for the quality, because they don't make them like they used to, I can guarantee you that. Don't be running around with your tuner smashed to the highest setting and heating the living crap out of the motor. That they're not designed for this unless you build them for it. You can build them for doing this, but the stock motor is not designed to be running around in the extreme, in the ludicrous mode. So I hope you learned something today, and you take it easy and you have a good day.